Hello, my name is Elizabeth Wholihan. I'm the Vice President of Marketing and Public Relations here at Eisenhower Health. It's my pleasure to welcome you to your general orientation. We're so sorry that we can't do this in person with you, but we hope that you'll learn a lot today, and it's my pleasure to talk to you a little bit about our background and our mission and vision as an organization. Eisenhower Health is the only nonprofit health system in the Valley. It's our mission to serve the changing healthcare needs of our region by providing excellence in patient care with supportive education and research. It's our vision to ensure that patients, family, and friends acknowledge their experience at Eisenhower as ideal patient care. We want to know that employees and volunteers can look forward to coming to work each day. One item that every new employee receives at Eisenhower Health is called a challenge coin. For those of you who might have a military background, you may be familiar with the challenge coin, and that's actually how it came to be at Eisenhower. Our CEO was speaking to someone at 29 Palms, and in the course of discussing how groups would receive a challenge coin to help members of the military feel like part of a team, our CEO decided to design one himself. So we now have a challenge coin that helps you feel part of a larger team, even when your day-to-day work may have you working in just one area with a smaller team. It's a reminder that our successes are built on a foundation of teamwork, no matter where you are in the organization, whether you have direct patient care or not, we're all working toward that common goal of ideal patient care. Part of our vision is to ensure that donors tell their friends and neighbors that gifts for Eisenhower Health are among the best decisions they've ever made. As the only nonprofit, we really do rely on the philanthropy of our community. We also want our physicians to voice pride in being members of the Eisenhower medical staff, knowing that they have what they need to do their job. And of course, we want our community to view Eisenhower as an indispensable resource. We have grown so much as an organization over the past decade. One of the first big projects was to expand the Tennessee Emergency Department, where we have more than 80,000 patient visits a year. That was a significant expansion, but even more recently, in the last year, we've added even more beds to ensure that we continue to meet community need. We also offer the Greg and Stacy Ranker Pavilion. This is an all-suite pavilion with 24 beds located above the emergency department. It's distinctive because it offers amenities beyond a typical hospital room. So patients can use their insurance for their actual care, but then they pay an out-of-pocket cost for the amenities. In 2010, Eisenhower opened the Walter and Leonore Annenberg Pavilion. It became our new inpatient care area, and it met the seismic needs of the state. Eisenhower Health's growth also happened on the outpatient side, opening clinics in La Quinta, Palm Springs, and Cathedral City, as well as in Rancho Mirage. We also think it's important for employees to know about our centers of excellence. These are areas where we have a high volume of cases and therefore have a lot of experience. That includes for Eisenhower, the cardiovascular service line, the cancer service line, the neuroscience service line, and orthopedic service line. In 2013, Eisenhower became one of the first accredited residency programs in the Coachella Valley. We initially offered residency programs in internal medicine and family medicine. Since then, we have also added emergency medicine as well as fellowship programs. One of Eisenhower's ongoing initiatives is magnet nursing status. For those of you who might not be familiar with it, magnet recognition is the highest recognition one can earn in nursing, and we're very proud to have earned it in 2015 and to have recently been reaccredited in 2020, which is a difficult task and very labor intensive. We're very proud of our nursing staff for their voice in the nursing care they provide. You'll become familiar with our intranet site, ICNET. There's a number of things that you'll find on there, but I'm just going to point out a couple of things for you, including in the upper left-hand side of the homepage, you'll see the word administration. This is a great way to find out who the leaders are throughout the organization, from members of the executive leadership team to directors and vice presidents. It's my pleasure to welcome you to Eisenhower Health. I wish you all the best with your job here. We hope you have a long career with us. Please stay safe. If you need anything, please reach out to your supervisor or director. All of us want you to succeed and get all the information you need to do your job.